Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 10 plus 8 divided by 2 minus 8. Okay, now 10 plus 8 gives us 18. And 18 divided by 2 gives us 9. And at the end, 9 minus 8 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Now, according to this rule, we have one division here that we have to solve it first. And as we know, division has higher priority than this addition and this subtraction. So, 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Now, let's rewrite the expression 10 plus 4 minus 8. And as we know, addition and subtraction are equally important, so we have to solve from left to right. Now 10 plus 4 gives us 14. Now 14 minus 8 gives us 6. The final answer is 6. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.